Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to FedEx Forum and the 2018 Memphis Madness, presented by Ashley Home Store. Tiger fans, are you ready? Well, hang on, everyone, as tonight will be a night to remember. Let's get madness started. Fans, here we go. In 3, 2, 1.
It's like 18,000 people, and they're screaming to the top of their lungs for the guys, for the women's team, and just having fun. You know, this is kind of like a pep rally, really, you know, for the team to come out to show what you have, and for the recruits to come in and see how we do things here in Memphis. And, man, to have that type of crowd, amazing.
In his first season as your men's basketball head coach and Tiger legend, please welcome Anthony.
We're excited about the season. We're excited to put a great product out on the floor for you guys. Please keep coming to the field house. Please keep coming to the FedEx Forum to support the women and the men. We're going to play as hard as we can for you. Memphis, I love you. Thank you so much. Have a great night.